Hello friends, good morning. So friends, nowadays I'm not making video. Why? Because nowadays I'm occupied with another things like friends. Today I want to share with you what I learned English, how I learned English. Friends, I'm not habitual to reading book. I'm not habitual to reading book. So what happened? I I am to use listen. मैं बहुत ही मुझे आदत है और हर समय सुनने की. क्या सुनने की? I'm all the time I'm listening English content. What I listen? I listen some podcast. I listen uh, I listen some YouTuber. Nowadays every women's are making video and they are using very small language. Okay, so I always prefer to listen who those people, those women is making video very simple language. Okay, so friends, today today I want to share my experience. What experience? I have started my speaking journey 3rd December 2023. And friends, before the time I had no confidence how to speak English and how to present in front of the people, because it's been a long time. I used to work before my marriage. I used to job before my marriage. After marriage, I didn't work anywhere. So I lost my confidence. No, I didn't work 14, 13 years. So you can say I lost my confidence. So that's why I did not try to job anywhere, because nowadays everything is written in English language. Okay, so how it is possible? Because I studied in Hindi medium, so how it is possible I can easily talk? I couldn't talk with English language, and sometime because syllabus change every year, so I had to focus everything. Now if I'm making mistakes here, because I have no idea how to framing the sentence in this you can say sentence. Okay, but I want to, as I told before, I want to share my experience. So friends, I started speaking with broken language. And what happened? Because I had no idea how to speak English. So in the beginning I used to speak broken. Okay, and every day I was speaking with my friends. Not too much friends. I have some WhatsApp friend. So with them I was speaking. So friends, you can see here my vegetable is little bit burning. Why? Because I didn't pay attention too much here, because I was making video. So now I realized if you are doing any work, so you should pay attention first on your first work, and after that you should pay attention on another work. If you are giving everywhere attention, so something is missing. What missing? Because my vegetable is burned, not too much burn. Okay, so friends, now I learned little bit English. So nowadays, whatever I have knowledge, I always try to speak English with my co-learner and with my Kanis. Okay, so Kanis, those women is working with me. I'm trying to speak with them. Okay, so if someone wants to learn English, so what should they? They should try to speak English little bit, not too much. Like please give me a glass of water with our children. Because if you are speaking daily, so you become habitual, and when you speak every day, so your tongue will be habitual to speak English. And so that's why like कि एक सेंटेंस है हिंदी में कि करत करत अभ्यास के जड़मती हो सुजान, रसरी आवत जात ही सिल पर होत निशान. कि अगर आप किसी भी चीज़ में, नॉट इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग, किसी भी चीज़ में अगर आप डेली अभ्यास करते हो, डेली प्रैक्टिस करते हो, तो वो चीज़ आपको धीरे धीरे आ जाएगी. कि जैसे कि जब हम बाल्टी से पानी निकालते हैं तो पत्थर की जो गिर्री रहती है ना, सिल होता है, उसके ऊपर तक निशान आ जाते हैं. तो कहने का तात्पर्य है कि यू हैव टू स्पीक एवरी डे. नाउ आई एम फ्लिपिंग द चपाती. फ्लिपिंग मीन्स होता है पलटना. ओके, sometimes I'm making mistakes, whatever, but no need to worried about it. I'm making mistakes because you are learning English, so that's why you are making mistakes. If you are not learning, so you couldn't make mistakes. जब आप कोई चीज़ नहीं सीखते हो तो आप गलती करते हो. जब आप कुछ नहीं सीखते तो आप गलती भी नहीं कर सकते हो. So friends, I have make, I don't know, we should not count the chapati. If you are count chapati, so when you will eat food, so that time you want to take it, and there is no chapati. There will be no chapati. Why? Because you counted your chapati. This is not actual, this is logical, or this is hypothetical. Okay, so friends, my husband is sleeping now and I am making chapati for my husband and me. Okay, I will make chapati 10 or 15. Why? Because I will keep 3 chapatis in my tiffin box, and 3 chapatis will eat my husband, and कितनी होगी 6, and 6 के बाद में था मैथ्स में हम बहुत जीरो हैं, बहुत सोचना पड़ता है. I have to think very much. I have to think very much. Why? When it's come to maths, so my mind is not working because I am not used to learn maths. I didn't try, but I'm thinking nowadays कि I should learn English along with the English and maths, because this is needed and we have to learn everything every day, because if we learned every day new things, so it will be better for our future. Okay friends, so now what I'm saying, सबसे ज़्यादा चीज़ क्या होती है फ्रेंड्स, मेरे साथ बात करने को कुछ नहीं रहता, कुछ नहीं, मेरे पास बात करने को कुछ नहीं. So I have no content for speaking. Why? Because I'm not thinking about everything. If I think about like some content, so, and if you want to speak in another topic, so you should prepare first. You should have knowledge about content कि we can talk in this topic. Okay, so friends, bye bye, because video is very getting long, so we have to stop here, and every day we will make video myself. And okay friends, bye, good morning.